Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great holiday season. Today we are going to be doing a little more unboxing and testing. This time it is a BH Cosmetics collection. BH Cosmetics is one of my absolute favorites because they're completely cruelty free and they mark what's vegan really well, and to my knowledge, all of their shadows and like actual makeup products are vegan, and then they have some not vegan brushes. Just know that everything I'm showing is cruelty free and vegan. So I'm super excited. These were also on a big sale. So they were $6.40 each for these 16 color palettes, which is a really amazing deal for such a high quality company. Because I mean, you can get that price for other companies, but BH is definitely a really high quality company. So let's begin. First we have Love in London, and they come in like these outer shells, and then you pop the actual palette out and it's like a different design on the inside, which I really like the technique that they did to design these. Like you have a little bit of shimmery hollow sort of, and then like characteristics of the city. These are all their city ones, by the way. I don't think I said that yet. So anyway, I'm super excited. Let's go. Ooh, okay. So let me get the plastic out of here. This is really nice looking. I mean, honestly, this is a lot of nude colors, and then they kind of randomly throw in a purple and a blue, which I'm kind of on the fence about how I feel about that, because it basically gives you 3 looks you can do with this, either nude or purple or blue, but the purple and blue is just like one option. So I don't know. I'm curious about the pigment though. So let's test the blue one. It shows up really well on my finger. I mean, yeah, that's a pretty strong pigment. I don't know how much I would use that. It's definitely going to be a very bold look. Really should have brought a paper towel to wipe my finger on. Oh well. But yeah, that's Love in London. I like it. I'm more obsessed with like the designs that they do on the packaging than anything, because let's be real, I have every eyeshadow color ever at this point. Anyway, now we are on to Beautiful in Barcelona. So sticking with Europe for right now again, outer shell. This time they matched the design, which I kind of liked what they did better on the other one, where it was like the same idea, but it was slightly different. Anyway, here is this one. It's kind of an odd design, honestly. I don't know how I feel about it. These are really similar colors again. Like, I swear those blues are basically the same, because remember, this is the blue from the Love in London one. That looks very similar. But yeah, I don't know how these colors are really inspired by the city. Like for the Love in London, I would have done more red because I think of those big red double-decker buses in London. For this one, I've never been to Barcelona, but I feel like this is kind of like Spanish tile vibe for like all those Spanish homes that you see. But yeah, so that's what I think of this one. Moving on, Hanging in Hawaii. This one is the one I was probably the most excited about because obviously it's pink. And see, again, this one they did better because they had the design on the outside here, and then they like flipped it on here, and that's what they did on the London one, and I like that better. I don't know why they didn't do it for Barcelona. So anyway, Hanging in Hawaii. Let's see what it looks like. That's very nice. I would have put some greens in there, honestly, because they set you up for green and pink, and then it's just nude and pink, which I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that, but I do like this one, so I want to swatch this one. Again, their pigments are really great. That's my favorite thing about BH. You can get good colors. That's a nice, that's shimmery. I will use that. That one's really nice. I like that. All right, second half. I got 3 more to go. This one is Summer in St Tropez. Tropez? Comment down below if you know how to pronounce that, please, because I don't. See, this one they didn't flip the design. Half of them they did, half they didn't. It's kind of weird. Okay, I don't know what to really expect with this one. Like, I get that it showed it on the outside of the package, but like, let's pretend it didn't. And I don't know what to expect because I've never been here or know where it is. Ooh, see, this I like. See, this is more signature, and I closed it. This is more signature BH with a good color variety and like brights. I really always love their bright colors. Let's swatch this one right here. That's pretty awesome. I'm just gonna say that before I even put it on my arm. Like, that looks pretty cool. Let's swatch it. Yeah, you're gonna see that in tutorials. When I was really little, the only eyeshadow color I would wear would be like that kind of blue that my mom gave me from, that was like probably 20 years old, which, by the way, don't keep your eyeshadow that long, please. It's gonna grow bacteria. And like, that's all I would wear for dress up because I thought it made my eyes look bluer. So we might go back to that at some point because that's kind of fun. All right. Trendy in Tokyo. This one looks like it's gonna be way more colorful, which I'm excited for. Yeah, see, this is your signature. This looks like a lot of companies came out with Pride Month palettes, which were really fun, like these. That kind of, they give you the rainbow, obviously, and they're like really good high pigment. But again, this blue looks similar to that blue. So, I don't know. But definitely could have fun doing. I'm gonna put up a rainbow tutorial. I've done a couple rainbow looks before I started filming tutorials. Now I'm realizing I've never done a rainbow tutorial, so I will do one of those. Those are really fun ones to do. Okay, we're on to our last one. Smitten in Switzerland. This is actually the first one that I bought because I thought it was really cute, and then I was like, oh my god, it's a whole set. I know, great story. Anyway. Right, here's the package. This one's really cute. You got the mountains and the forest and the castles and what the hell is on the bottom. I think that's some bridge thing that maybe is in Switzerland. I don't know, I've never been. Would like to go though, if anybody wants to pay for me to go to Switzerland. Anyway, here we go. Yeah, see, for some reason, that's what I expected from Switzerland because it gives you winter vibes. And everyone loves winter vibes. I'm from California and it's currently like 80 degrees outside in the winter. But I don't know, I like it. These two remind me of, I want to say it was BH has an avocado toast palette. Like this whole corner right here reminds me of that. So yeah, I like it. You're gonna see these all in tutorials hopefully soon. I'm still backlogged on stuff to try in tutorials because I had a lot of makeup before I started doing tutorials. But anyway, that is these. And overall, I would say the pigment is really good. The color choices, like the color combinations, on a couple of them are a little odd, but then again, you only really use 2 or 3 colors in an eyeshadow look unless you're me and want to put like 7 colors, but that's more advanced stuff anyway. Overall, I really like them, and you will be seeing them in tutorials soon. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. I'm really trying to get my subscriber numbers up so that hopefully I will be able to start getting makeup sent to me so that I can share more products with you guys. But of course, I'm still on a college student budget to buy the makeup myself. So yes, if you can please share with your friends, help me get those subscriber numbers up. And as always, I will respond to every comment. Please comment on my videos, DM me, any questions, anything you want me to try out, please let me know. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.